Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make cheesy chicken and potato casserole. Alright, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need one package, 28 ounces of diced hash brown potatoes with onions and peppers. And you want that to be thawed. And then you need 1 can of 10.5 ounces of condensed cream of chicken soup. The 98% fat free is what we're using. Then you need 1 cup of sour cream. 2 cups of Colby Jack cheese or cheddar cheese, whatever kind of cheese you like, basically. A half a cup of milk, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a fourth a teaspoon of black pepper, and then you need 22 ounces of diced chicken, and I have that already cooked. If you want to just use chicken breast, you'll need about 3, I think, because it's about 3 cups, and you just want to shred those or dice those, but they have to be pre-cooked. And then you can either use 4 slices of real bacon crumbled, or I'm going to use 3 ounces of the real bacon pieces. So that's it for the ingredients. Let's go ahead and get started. First, you are going to preheat the oven to 375, and we're going to spray a 9x13 baking dish with cooking spray. Alright, first you want to spread out your potatoes into your baking dish and then go ahead and season them with whatever you want. Salt, pepper, if you want to add a little bit of garlic powder, just however you want to spice them up. And next we're going to open the chicken and pour that over top of the potatoes. Alright, that looks good. Next we are going to go ahead and in a large bowl just combine the sour cream, the milk, the cream of chicken soup, the pepper, and the garlic powder, and 1 cup of your cheese, and we're just going to mix that all together. Alright, that looks pretty good to me. So next we are just going to spread the soup mixture over top of our chicken. Alright, that looks pretty good to me. I just took the back of my spoon and really spread it out to make sure everything was covered. So next we're going to cover this with aluminum foil and we're going to bake it for 40 minutes. Alright, my chicken bake just came out of the oven after 40 minutes. I removed the foil and now I'm going to sprinkle on the bacon and the cheese and just leave it uncovered and bake it for an additional 5 minutes. Alright, that is ready to go back into the oven, like I said, for 5 minutes. Alright, that just came out of the oven. My cheese is all melted and it smells amazing. So we're going to see what taste tester thinks after I let it cool off for a little bit. Hey, taste tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Dang, nothing more. That's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.